In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix black screen when playing games in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, black screen issues during gaming are frequently tied to the DXGMMS2.sys graphics subsystem bug or recent conflicts with kernel-level anti-cheat software. So what you could do is on your keyboard, press Win, Control, Shift, and B simultaneously, and you're going to hear a beep and the screen will flicker. This forces Windows to restart the graphics stack without closing your game. What you could do is also just right click on your game shortcut. So let's say I wanted to do this on Rocket League. Go ahead and find Properties. Once you're in Properties, go over to the Compatibility tab if you go ahead and see it. But let's just use something like Handbrake as an example. So go to whichever game, then go over and find Properties, and then go over to Compatibility. And once you're in Compatibility, disable full screen optimizations. You want to make sure that this is checked. Then click Change High DPI Settings, which is right here, and then check Override High DPI Scaling right here. And that should definitely help with resolution handshake failures that often cause black screens as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you don't know about yet.